Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a budget-friendly cube steak stir fry. This is a very budget-friendly meal and very affordable and very healthy for you. Also, it can be a keto meal, it could be a low-carb recipe meal. Uh, wouldn't be a carnivore meal, but carnivore is just basically an all-meat weight loss plan. But anyways, what I did was I took some cube steak and I salt, peppered it, seasoned it really well on both sides, and then I cut it all up and got going in the frying pan and added some. Well, actually, I'm using my induction cooking over here. I had bought this a while back ago, QVC. Add a little bit of butter in the pan, and then I ended up adding a little bit of olive oil and got it going really well. And I use this quite often. The induction cooking, I find it gives the meat a different taste. And here I was just putting the steak in like that, and yeah, so then they once I get it going really good. What I like about this induction cooking thing, it also has a hair setting on it. So if you want to get a really good, like a, uh, if you had a barbecue grill outside, you could. I live in an apartment, so I got to be careful with all this stuff here because I have set off my smoke alarm a few times. And yeah, so over here I just got kind of like moving this in so I can position it over the overhead on the camera. So our meat is just about done. So let's pull it out of the pan, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to deglaze the bottom of the pan a little bit, and scrape off the bits in the bottom. And we'll add our meat back in over the top, and add some vegetables over here. I happen to add some frozen vegetables that I had bought already pre-chopped, and a little bit of garlic in there, and just kind of like let it kind of like thicken up a little bit, and add the meat back in, and we continue on. What I had done is after I pulled the steak out, I ended up cutting it up in little bite-sized chunks, and I was just kind of like getting everything all incorporated really well. And then I added another little slab of butter over the middle part of it to kind of like get it like a nice, really great, outstanding taste, and salt peppered it to my taste. And this again, it came out really well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too long. But anyways, 20 minutes or less. There you go. Another budget-friendly meal. Let's face it, there. Who has time to be slaving over their stove all day? Especially these days. Most people I know right now are kind of like just doing what they can do to survive by working 2 or 3 jobs. But anyways, have an amazing day. Love you guys.